about an hour or so, and the umpires have said, we don't think the light is good enough, nor the conditions are good enough, and we won't have enough time to restart. So play has been called off for the day here in Bulawayo, after what has been an inspiring day for the home country. That's our live pictures. Just a spitting rain, nothing too heavy, but enough to keep the players off the field of play. So play was suspended after 61 overs. After Graham Creamer, the Zimbabwe captain, had won the toss this morning, play began on time at 10 o'clock. And very quickly, Zimbabwe were in all kinds of trouble. They were 14 for 3, with Mire gone for 4, Irvin for a duck, and Brendan Taylor for 1. And then we've had this wonderful innings from Hamilton Mazakadze, 101 not out from 171 balls. It's his 5th test century. And PJ Moore played very well indeed for his 3rd half-century in his fledgling career. Hamilton was inspiration personified. He took on the West Indies bowlers, their seamers who enjoyed the conditions, and Bishu. And Roston Chase again called upon late in the bowling order by his captain, but it couldn't prevent Hamilton Mazakadze taking full control. Shannon Gabriel 1 for 37. Roach bowled intelligently again, 10 overs, 2 for 24. And Roston Chase, why is he the 6th bowler to be used? He looks good. 9 overs, 1 for 26. Blackwood even got a ball. 4 overs of seam from him. Holder and Bishu, the other 2 bowlers. Bishu, no wickets in his 14. So a good day for Zimbabwe. They have really come together and shown a stubborn, obdurate side to their team, and what they hope to do in this test match. Will be on air tomorrow at 9:15 local time. That's a little bit earlier to make up for the lost time here on day 1. And Zimbabwe will resume 169 for 4, and Hamilton Mazakadze is 101 not out. Sikandar Raza with him at 9, he's just come in. But an inspirational day for the home team, and we look forward to warmer temperatures on day 2. But that's it for day 1. A good day for Zimbabwe, and the West Indies will be looking to make some inroads early on day 2. Bye-bye for now.
What does it mean to be Zimbabwean? To be Zimbabwean is to carry the mark of leadership. And leadership begins when you embrace your purpose and take responsibility. These times we're living in are evidence that each one of us was born in this generation for a great purpose. A purpose to shape Zimbabwe's future, a responsibility to carry the promise and live in the Zimbabwe we want. Zimbabwe is waiting for a generation of people who understand the meaning of standing up. You are the stepping stone, the one with the flame of inspiration, the one with the passion, the one who has what it takes to move Zimbabwe forward. It's time to stand up and do what is right. It's time to rise and do your part. It's beyond a privilege. It's an inheritance, a pledge that everyone has to make. So rise, Zimbabwe. Simuka, Zimbabwe. Pakama, Zimbabwe. It's time to pledge, register, and go vote. What does it mean?
This live cast has been powered by ZimdiTv News, a division of Sly Media Productions, specialists in social media streaming and in-house TV productions. This live cast has been powered by ZimdiTv News, a division of Sly Media Productions, specialists in social media streaming and in-house TV productions. This livecast has been powered by ZimdiTv News, a division of Sly Media Productions, specialists in social media streaming and in-house TV productions.